Hey you, today we are visiting a local store here in Puerto Rico called Pepe Ganga. You can see it right behind me. This is a Puerto Rican company. It's kind of like a one-stop shop for household items. There are only a few in Puerto Rico, so I'm gonna leave you a map here so you can see where you can find one. They sell so many things here, from household appliances, household items, hygiene products, cleaning supplies, school supplies, toys, Christmas decorations, and so much more. Enough talking, let's go inside and check it out. Let's go. Super cheap. $19.98. If you need to paint, you could get some cheap stuff here. $2.48. They have tools of all kinds. Locks. Got some throw pillows. How much are these? $9.98. Rugs. More throw pillows. Pet stuff. $2.99. Is that good? See? These are the light bulbs I like. Fabuloso. $1.48. $2.98. $3.99. $12.98 por una bolita. Got some Monopoly. $30. Toys. It's not Barbie, it's Sophie. She's on sale. $4.98. Got some socks. I used to use this back in the day. Oh, and rave. Oh, I didn't know they have this here. $2.99. I should have bought it here. It's a funny name, Tío Nacho.
De miel de abeja real.
Oh my God, I remember this volumen. Oh my Jesus, the memories. $2.98. LA Colors. Makeup called Selfie. Interesting. How much? $3.99. Oh, estoy alcoholado. Reminds me of my mom. They do have some food here. I didn't know that. $4.48. $1.98. $1.19. That's the sugar we buy. This is what we use to make piña colada. $2.29. They have a piña colada mix. Interesting. Never seen this one because I always use this. Oh, and Cortez love to make hot chocolate with this. Well, not me. Sergio. $2.98. Now it comes grounded too, so you don't have to do all the work. Goya. Tiene que ser bueno. Bacalaitos. $1.69. Avena. Sazón. Look at this big pack. How much is this? When I want to know the price, I don't see the price. It's $2.49. $1.15. Ooh, they have organic chia seeds here. Wow. How much? $3.95. I just bought some and I had to buy it not organic because I didn't find the organic one. And look they have it here. This is my favorite part. How much? It was $69.99. Now it's $49.98. I kind of like this one. Pampas. So cute. I like the colors. Party stuff. How much are these? 99 cents. Arts and crafts. Sewing kits. $2.49. Sewing. A lot of flowers. Looks like they expanded this side over here. It was smaller, like where, up to here? Ah, look at the floor. Look, you have souvenirs here. I can't believe they sell this by itself. This is great to know for the Airbnbs. They have stoves here. This one's nice. This one has the price, $5.98. Wow, they have a fridge. Look, to play dominoes. Remember when I moved to Puerto Rico, I was looking for the toaster ovens and I couldn't find them. Because of COVID, for some reason, we didn't have toaster ovens anywhere. Only the white ones they had. And I didn't want it white. They even have a generator here. I don't know the price. $100. Not bad. It's super big.
Bye.
I tried showing you as much as I can, but this is such a huge store, so if you are in Puerto Rico, go check it out. Anyway, that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! This is a local store here in Cabo. This car. Estaba en one-stop shop. And it's like a one-stop, and it's that is like a one-stop shop for home